Have you tried every diet and every medication, yet your irritable bowel syndrome still controls your life? The constant bloating, the unpredictable pain, and the endless frustration. What if the real culprit isn't just the food you eat, but something hidden in plain sight? For years, we've focused on the gut in isolation, but modern science reveals a shocking truth. Your brain and your gut are in constant, intense conversation. This is known as the brain gut axis. It is a superhighway of nerves and chemicals. When your brain is stressed, your gut listens and it reacts instantly. Think of it this way: when you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode. It diverts energy away from digestion. Stress hormones flood your system, causing inflammation and altering how your gut moves. This creates a vicious cycle. Stress triggers bloating and pain, and then that pain leads to even more stress and anxiety. This is why your symptoms often get worse during a busy week or before a big event. Your gut is reflecting your state of mind. But there is hope. To heal your gut, you must also calm your mind. One powerful tool is diaphragmatic breathing. Deep, slow breaths activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. Just 5 minutes of mindful breathing can send an immediate signal to your gut to relax and stop the cramping. Healing IBS is not just about what you put in your stomach, it's about how you treat your nervous system. Start listening to the conversation between your brain and your gut. It's time to break the cycle and take your life back.